You will now be tested for your listening skills. Please listen to the following instructions carefully. Familiarize yourself with the questions and answer them. The sparrow is a small bird found worldwide, with many species varying in size and habitat. Measuring about 4 to 6 inches in length, sparrows are known for their melodious songs. These birds prefer to build nests in low places such as the ground, clumps of grass, low bushes, and trees. In urban areas, sparrows use building nooks or holes to make their nests. They rarely nest in high places, and their nests, crafted from twigs, grasses, and plant fibers, are small and sturdy. Female sparrows typically lay 4 to 6 eggs at a time. The eggs are white with reddish-brown spots and hatch within 11 to 14 days. Both parents share the responsibility of caring for their young. After hatching, the chicks are fed insects, while adult sparrows primarily consume seeds. Sparrows' large feet help them scratch the ground for seeds, making them efficient foragers. They are commonly found in human-inhabited areas, making them familiar and beloved birds for many. One unique behavior of sparrows is their dust bathing. They scratch holes in the ground, lie in them, and toss dirt or sand over their bodies using their wings. They also bathe in water or melting snow, flicking water over their backs and ducking their heads under the surface. These activities, often done socially, can involve up to 100 birds at a time. Dust and water bathing are usually followed by preening and occasionally group singing, adding to their charm. Sparrows thrive almost everywhere humans live, making them one of the most adaptable and delightful birds to observe. Their lively presence, unique behaviors, and harmonious songs continue to bring joy to people across the globe. Now choose the correct option for the following questions. 1. What is the typical length of a sparrow? A. 3 to 4 inches. B. 4 to 6 inches. C. 6 to 8 inches. D. 8 to 10 inches. 2. Where do sparrows prefer to build their nests? A. High trees. B. Ground and low places. C. Cliffs. D. Mountain tops. 3. What materials do sparrows use to build their nests? A. Feathers and mud. B. Sticks and straw. C. Twigs, grasses, and plant fibers. D. Leaves and stones. 4. How many eggs do female sparrows usually lay? A. 1 to 2 eggs. B. 2 to 4 eggs. C. 4 to 6 eggs. D. 6 to 8 eggs. 5. What is the primary food of adult sparrows? A. Fruits. B. Seeds. C. Insects. D. Leaves. 6. How long does it take sparrow eggs to hatch? A. 7 to 10 days. B. 11 to 14 days. C. 15 to 18 days. D. 20 to 22 days. 7. How do sparrows bathe in dust? A. By rolling in dry sand. B. By scratching a hole and flinging dirt over their bodies. C. By standing in shallow water. D. By lying in the sun. 8. What do sparrows do after bathing? A. Hunt for food. B. Preen and sing in groups. C. Build nests. D. Sleep. 9. Where can sparrows commonly be found? A. In dense forests. B. Near water bodies. C. Wherever humans live. D. In deserts. 10. What do sparrows feed their young after hatching? A. Seeds. B. Water. C. Insects. D. Grains. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos.